Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic, the place where we dive into honest, expert-level beauty and grooming reviews. Today, we're taking a look at a product that promises a flawless shave while tackling a few grooming needs with one tool. It's the Braun Electric Razor for Men Series 8 8457cc. So let's dive in and see if it truly delivers on all its high-tech promises, or if it's just another grooming gadget gathering dust on your bathroom shelf. This electric razor boasts some impressive claims, starting with its 40-degree adapting head and floating blades, designed to contour to your face's unique shape. With sonic technology producing 10,000 microvibrations, the razor is supposed to capture more hair while gliding gently over the skin. It also promises longer battery life with its Li-ion battery, giving you up to 60 minutes of shaving time and a 5-minute quick charge for those times when you're running out the door. Plus, the SmartCare Center. This thing cleans, lubricates, dries, and charges the razor all in one go. Pretty smart, right? Let's talk real-world testing. I've used this shaver for a few weeks now, both in the dry and wet conditions, and here's what I found. First, the shave quality is excellent. The 40-degree adapting head is super effective at adjusting to your face's angles. Even under the jawline and around the neck, it glided smoothly without causing any irritation. The sonic technology was definitely noticeable. You can feel the extra power it delivers, and it really does pick up more hair in one pass compared to other razors I've tried. The battery life is solid. I didn't have to recharge it for over a week, even with frequent use. The 5-minute quick charge is especially useful when you're in a pinch, and the SmartCare Center is a game changer. No more worrying about cleaning the razor manually after each use. Just pop it into the center, and it takes care of everything, including lubricating the blades. Plus, the wet and dry function is perfect for guys who like to shave in the shower or use gel for a smoother glide. Now, there are a few cons worth mentioning. While the shave itself is close and efficient, it can be a bit loud compared to some other models. It's not unbearable, but definitely noticeable, especially if you're used to quieter shavers. Also, the SmartCare Center is useful, but it does add a bit of bulk to your grooming setup. If you have limited counter space, it might be something to consider. So, does the Braun Series 8 offer good value for money? It's definitely on the premium side, but in my opinion, the quality and performance make it worth the price. You're not just buying a razor, you're investing in a well-rounded grooming system that not only shaves, but also cleans, dries, and maintains your razor for optimal performance. If you're someone who values convenience and a high-quality shave, it's a solid choice. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other brands that offer similar features, but the Braun Series 8 stands out for its superior build quality and the added benefit of the SmartCare Center. You might find cheaper options, but they often don't have all these extra features bundled together. As for build quality, the razor is exceptionally well made. It's made in Germany, known for its engineering precision, and it feels solid in hand. The Galvano Silver finish is sleek and smudge-proof, which adds to its premium feel. Plus, it's 100% waterproof, so you can use it in the shower without worry. It also comes with a travel case, which is a nice touch for those who travel often. Finally, a little about customer support. I haven't needed to contact Braun's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, I feel confident that any issues would be handled quickly and efficiently. Final verdict: the Braun Electric Razor Series 8 is a top-tier option for men looking for a powerful yet gentle shave. The sonic technology, battery life, and SmartCare Center make it a standout in its category. While it's a bit pricey, if you're after premium quality and a razor that can handle both dry and wet shaving, it's definitely worth considering. Now, if this review was helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more in-depth reviews like this one. Your support means the world to us. If you've used the Braun Series 8, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Does it live up to the hype for you? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.